G'day, wildlife fans. Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of the animal kingdom. Today, we're diving into the wacky world of capybaras, the fascinating creatures that you might not know much about but are sure to fall in love with. These guys are the kings and queens of the rodent world. Yes, you heard that right. Capybaras are the largest rodents on Earth, and they have a lot of interesting traits that make them stand out. That's right, the biggest rodents on the planet. Imagine a rodent that can grow up to 4.3 feet in length and weigh as much as 145 pounds. That's almost the size of a small human. Forget tiny mice. We're talking about the animals the size of a small dog. Can you believe it? These gentle giants are often seen interacting with other animals, and their friendly nature makes them quite popular. These oversized guinea pigs are amazing. They are semi-aquatic mammals, which means they spend a lot of time in the water. In fact, they are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes underwater. They're like something out of a cartoon. With their webbed feet and barrel-shaped bodies, they look like they belong in an animated movie. But these creatures are very real and have some unique behaviors. But don't let their size fool you. They're gentle giants. Capybaras are known for their calm and social nature. They live in groups and are very affectionate with each other, often seen grooming and cuddling. They wouldn't hurt a fly. In fact, capybaras are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. Their diet mainly consists of grasses and aquatic plants, but they also enjoy fruits and vegetables. Capybaras are also very family-oriented. They live in groups of 10, 20 individuals, but sometimes these groups can grow to as many as 100 during the dry season when they gather around water sources. Their love for water is another fascinating aspect. Capybaras have partially webbed feet, which make them excellent swimmers. They can even sleep in the water with just their noses poking out to breathe. These animals have also adapted well to living near human settlements. In some places, they are even kept as pets. Their gentle and friendly nature makes them a favorite among animal lovers. Capybaras are playful and curious creatures. They love to roll in the mud, which helps them stay cool and protects their skin from the sun. Watching them play is a delightful experience. Another interesting fact is their relationship with other animals. Birds often perch on their backs to eat insects, and capybaras don't seem to mind at all. It's a symbiotic relationship that benefits both. So, next time you see a capybara, remember that these gentle giants are more than just oversized rodents. They are fascinating creatures with unique behaviors and a friendly nature that makes them truly special. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of capybaras. Stay tuned for more amazing wildlife adventures. So, how big are we talking? Well, imagine a furry ottoman about 4 feet long. They can weigh over 100 pounds. That's heavier than your backpack full of school books. They've got these short little legs, a big round body, and a face only a mother could love. But hey, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? And these guys have got charm in spades. Capybaras are social butterflies. They love hanging out in big groups, and boy, do they love to chat. They have all these funny noises they make. Chirps, whistles, grunts, you name it, they've got a sound for it. They even have different alarm calls for different predators. Talk about being prepared. I reckon they could teach us a thing or two about communication. These furry potatoes might look like landlubbers, but don't let that fool you. They're practically part fish. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world, and they have a special relationship with water that's truly fascinating. Capybaras are semi-aquatic, which means they spend loads of time in the water. They are often found in groups near rivers, lakes and marshes where they can easily dive in to escape predators or just to cool off. And when I say loads of time, I mean loads. They swim like pros, gliding through the water with ease. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for an aquatic lifestyle. They can hold their breath for ages, up to 5 minutes at a time, which allows them to stay submerged and hidden from potential threats. This ability is crucial for their survival in the wild, and even have webbed feet. These webbed feet not only make them excellent swimmers, but also help them walk on muddy and slippery surfaces with ease. Rivers, lakes, ponds, you name it, they're there, chilling like it's their own personal jacuzzi. Capybaras are social animals and often gather in large groups, sometimes up to 20 individuals, to enjoy the water together. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including purrs, whistles, and barks. These gatherings are not just for fun, they also serve important social functions. Capybaras groom each other, which helps to strengthen social bonds and keep their fur clean and free of parasites. Their diet is also closely tied to their aquatic habitats. Capybaras are herbivores and feed on a variety of vegetation, including grasses, aquatic plants, and even fruit. Their love for water extends to their feeding habits, as they often graze on plants found in and around water bodies. Capybara mothers are particularly attentive to their young, teaching them how to swim and find food. The water provides a safe haven for the young capybaras, protecting them from land-based predators. After a long swim, capybaras love to sunbathe on the riverbanks. The sun helps to dry their fur and warm their bodies. This combination of water and sun is essential for their well-being. Capybaras are also known to be quite friendly with other animals. They often share their habitats with a variety of species, including birds, turtles, and even crocodiles. This peaceful coexistence is a testament to their gentle nature. So, next time you see a capybara, remember that these amazing creatures are not just land dwellers. They are true water enthusiasts, thriving in their aquatic environments and living a life that's perfectly balanced between land and water. Water everywhere, and the capybaras wouldn't have it any other way. Their love for water is a key part of their identity and a vital aspect of their survival. Section 5. Poop eaters. You heard right. Okay, this one's a bit gross, but hey, we're talking about nature here. Nature is full of fascinating and sometimes downright strange behaviors, and the capybara is no exception. These gentle giants of the rodent world have a unique dietary habit that might make you do a double take. Capybaras eat their own poop. Yes, you heard that correctly. While it might sound utterly disgusting to us, for capybaras, it's a crucial part of their digestive process. Yup, you heard that right. This behavior is known as kekotrophy, and it's not just random, it's a well-adapted survival strategy. It's called kekotrophy, and it helps them get all the nutrients they need. You see, capybaras have a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract maximum nutrition from their food. However, not all nutrients are absorbed the first time around. Don't worry, they only eat a special kind of poop, not the regular stuff. This special poop, known as cecotropes, is produced in the cecum, a part of their digestive tract. Cecotropes are nutrient-rich and packed with essential vitamins and minerals that the capybara's body needs. Still, it's pretty wild, eh? Imagine having to eat your own poop to stay healthy. But for capybaras, it's just another day in the life. This behavior ensures they get the most out of their fibrous diet, which mainly consists of grasses and aquatic plants. It just goes to show these animals are full of surprises. Capybaras are not only the largest rodents in the world, but also some of the most adaptable. Their social structure, diet, and even their poop-eating habits are all finely tuned to help them thrive in their natural habitats. So, next time you see a capybara, remember, there's more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. From their webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers to their unique digestive process, capybaras truly are nature's marvels. You've been a good friend. Section 6. Friends with everyone. Seriously, capybaras are like the peacemakers of the animal kingdom. They're super chill and get along with practically everyone. You'll find them hanging out with birds, monkeys, turtles, even crocodiles. They're like the cool kids in school who are friends with all the different groups. Everyone loves a capybara. Section 7. Living the good life capybara style. These guys have got life figured out. They spend their days lounging in the water, munching on plants, and soaking up the sun. Sounds pretty good, right? They don't have a worry in the world. They're like furry little hippies, just vibing and enjoying life. And who can blame them? Section 8, captivating. So there you have it, folks. From their giant size to their love of water, their friendly nature, and their interesting eating habits, capybaras are truly one of a kind. They might not be the most glamorous animals, but they're definitely some of the most entertaining. Section 9, did you know? Here's a fun fact. A baby capybara is called a pup. How cute is that? And get this, they can start swimming when they're just a few days old. Section 10, One last capybara chuckle, one last fun fact before we go. Did you know that in some parts of South America, capybaras are considered a delicacy? That's right, people eat them. I guess one person's giant rodent is another person's dinner.